everyone. We're here to talk about our vibrant vocabulary. I want to let you know you should not be starting with this video. There are two other videos before this one that really discuss Marzano and how we're introducing vocabulary in the classroom. Once we talk about that, we're going to talk about next where to find the resource materials to help you. So we go to the NAS Teaching and Learning Drive, and then we're going to NAS PD Online Resources. Here we have our training for vocabulary at 9 August 2020 trainings. And this is where I'm putting our important resource information. This is our document here that really helps you understand how to go through Marzano's 6-step process in teaching academic vocabulary. Now, for this part, we're focused on step 1, 2, and 3. And that is the work that goes into introducing vocabulary first in the classroom. Right down here is detailed information as well as different ideas that you can use in order to engage students. Here are also some things to help drive exactly what you're needing to do in order to make sure vocabulary is understood. Well, I'm going to show you now how do we document this piece, or how do our kids remember this piece. And so I'm going to show you, this is our secondary vocabulary vibe sheet, and each student has a vocabulary book that has that information in it. This is also our elementary vocabulary vibe book. So I'm going to turn around and say, let's say that we were teaching a word and the word is vibrant. Well, right here is where the student, after we've discussed the word vibrant, so we might say that it's bright, it's big, it's colorful, it creates a vibrant environment, it creates a vibrant picture, it creates a vibrant sound. Well, now the student, after the conversation has been had, the student will write the word. They're going to write their pronunciation, vibrant. So if I was that student, I'm just going to say, well, I know the pronunciation for me. Not the pronunciation that's found in the dictionary, but the pronunciation that makes sense to me. And I'm going to say that my pronunciation goes V-I for me, and then ant. That's how I would remember it, because there's no correct way to do this. It's for the students to do. Vibrant. Now, next we're going to put the date that we learned the word. And here's where the student gets to write their meaning. What does the word mean to them? I think it means colorful, bright, engaging, whatever word it means to the student. You can help nurture it, but it's their word, not the word from a dictionary. Then they get to draw a picture. Now, also note that this word will also be in their Schoology folder. So in the Schoology folder, you can upload different pictures to help them understand what the word means. Rate your understanding. For our elementary, they get to draw a happy face, a straight face, a confused face, or a sad face. And then they get to create a sentence. I liked the vibrant painting in the classroom. It had so many colors. Make sure that the punctuation is correct. And then you have a synonym. Vibrant means bright, but you also have an antonym, which is opposite, which would be dark or dull. But this is what the students actually create in their vocabulary books in their correct content area, and they keep it for themselves. So this is an example of how we use the book, and when you see it on the videos, this is our actual template that we're using to build and engage our vocabulary. So this is what we're utilizing. So every student is tracking the words that they've learned here at North American International School. Thank you so much for tuning in. And I am very, very grateful that you had a chance to learn this, ask questions, and figure out more. Talk to you later.